I am so hungry.
Ain't nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it. Boss. Ain't nothing to it. Nothing to it. Real one. Ain't nothing to it.
Welcome back to another video. It's me, your girl Briana Marie, and today's tutorial is going to be on this quick look, y'all. Well, it wasn't quick for me, but I mean, if you achieve this look and go faster than I did, then you'll definitely get this look. Super easy, just basically doing the same method that I did and applying the colors, no cut crease. It is so pretty. It's so pretty, but just make sure you blend. My first time back on the YT, y'all. This is my new setup. As y'all can see in the mirror, I don't know if y'all can see through here. Two new lights, ring light, and just a whole gig. If you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Hey y'all, so we back with another video. I am so excited to be back. It has been a month. I'm gonna come back quick because y'all told me, like, no girl, do not be coming on here quick. Get your healing in, and I'm still healing. So I'm on my Bobbi pillow. I don't have my garment on, so everything just like it is what it is. My body looks amazing, but I am here to give y'all this slay today. So like, look at my ghetto ass nails on. Okay, you know, people call these ghetto nails because they're super long and ratchet, but I feel like I got authority. Okay, what's this for me? I'm gonna go into this Plouise base in the shade number 3. I'm gonna use number 3 today. I was gonna mix it with 5, so I don't know, I might mix it with 5. But this brow essential kit, y'all, let me tell y'all, this is bomb. I apply my base off camera because you see me apply my base many times. I am going to use, I think I'm going to use this one because this is a bomb. This brush right here for the brows, the Showstopper Beauty in the brush number 6. So I might just use this to pat it on, but if not, you already know I'm going to tell you if I use Bonso Evo 142. It's actually good to basically smooth out the Plouise base. This is Showstopper's Beauty number 6 brush. Show you how I did that eye look on my Instagram. If you haven't seen my Instagram, go check it out. Follow me at Marie with 3 underscores. It's a look that I did with half of my face not done and half of it done, but I'm not going to incorporate black. It's going to be a different color. So I'm going to show you an easy way to like get your eyeshadow popping. Get your eyeshadow popping, but no cut crease. Go into the Inglot palette. This palette is the Freedom System palette, so I don't know the names by heart. I'm going to go in with I was thinking about going in with both of these, so I think I'm gonna go in both of the burgundy ones, and we're gonna apply that on the outer cuts, bringing it all the way up to right here. You're gonna see. I get my 167 Morphe brush. So you want to leave some room a little bit so that you can actually put down your transition shades. I got MAC 221, y'all, with this shade right here. So we're only gonna go halfway with these transitions. We're not gonna go all the way in the front because we're putting color in the front. We want to blend out the edges of the first shade. You're gonna go back in with it, but still you want to make sure everything is seamless, and you want to make sure you don't see where you start and finish it. You don't want to see that. This is a good brush to get right in that crease area. We're gonna go back in with each shade. And with this lighter orange right there on the brow bone area. That much I'm trying to make it as subtle as possible. So I just pick up a little bit and kind of sweep it across. You can put shimmer, but I should have put it first. and then added the orange. Right here is a Morphe 330. I'm going to take a brush to deepen up. That's what I'm like, why didn't I grab that brush? Take another 221 and grab those burgundy shades. And basically do how we do the transition shades and blend that up. Give it more depth to the eye. Don't go all the way in the front because you have to add your shades. Go in with the blender brush. We're not gonna be packing on. A blender brush is different from packing the shadows on versus from you blending it out. I don't know, just an airbrush like finish more so than a harsh finish. I'm going to use the Prolong palette. This one's just sitting here. The 535. And I'm going in with that yellow shade right here. Okay, that yellow right in the center. Using it. You want to go all the way up with this. But as you go up, make sure you use that blending brush right here to kind of make it airbrush light and not so harsh. More pack it on towards the bottom area, and then when you get towards the front, the brow bone, make sure you like use that blending motion to like kind of blend it out. So I'm trying to feel all these colors on here. I'm trying to push it more towards the nose area so that I can have more space. This is like mint. This is a mint shade. Add orange. I use the Suva Beauty Electric Orange. Take my Inglot gel liner in the shade number 77, a 203 brush. Precision crease brush from Makeup Addiction. I went ahead and added my lashes for my lash line. I will be coming out with a lash line. I already keep telling y'all this, and I have the Vocal lashes already to sell. I just have to get the cases, and I am waiting to receive my information for my name to come back. So the process is coming out. These lashes are the lashes I just added to the collection. This is so pretty. So these are the boxes of lashes. These are boxes of lashes. I got most of my names, so if y'all ever want to shout out some names, I'm going with Amrezy Highlighter, and I'm going with this brush right here. This is Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm trying to go on the PR, y'all. It's not happening. A21 from Anastasia. And with this drugstore liner from the Tropic collection. This is the shade Pineapple Punch. This thing right here, because this one's calling my name. Who didn't come to play? I didn't come to play when I came back. Take Unveil. I'm going to basically use this as a liner. I'm gonna put a few glosses on here. Starting with Luna. I'll leave it matte because I like it too. This is from Anastasia. I had this one from Fenty. This is called Bilingual. I'm gonna do my brows off camera. Meet you guys back once I have on my finished look and change my outfit. Thank you guys so much for tuning in and coming back, y'all. It's been a month and I was down, y'all, from recovering, and I'm still recovering. As I turn this turn these cameras off, I want to go put on my faja so that I can continuously shrink. All of that will be in the Q&A. But if you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give this a big thumbs up. Comment, rate, and subscribe. My nails long as hell. Comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next tutorial because I'm back for good.